now about the pivot point implementation. So before doing this, let's go to the trading charts and see the pivot points and get some details for the implementation. So you can see here at this candle, it's a pivot candle. So why it is a pivot candle? Because if you see at the left side of this candle, the low of two previous candles is greater than the pivot candle, and the low of two right candles is greater than the pivot candle. If we find such condition, then it's a pivot candle. Similarly, you can see at this candle, this red candle, its low is greater than previous two lows, less than previous two lows, and in the right also low is less than next two lows. So this one is also a pivot candle. This one. So we have a condition here. Pivot of left should be greater than pivot and be less than pivot right. So here we have used this library NSEPy. So I want to say you that I have already published a video related to NSEPy. You can go and check in my playlist. So here we are using NSEPy and get history method. Using that we can extract data from a given time intervals. So here we have used this data, and now we will try to find the pivot points. So we will be running a loop and range -2 because we are taking next two candles also. So yeah, so we will add a condition of this candle here. If data low index is greater than -2 data So inside this we have added left condition, in that the left two candles low should be greater than the pivot candle. Similarly we'll write it for the right. Just copy paste. +2 plus, so we need to write one boundary condition, like if index is greater than 2. Okay, now if both conditions are true, you can say that this data end is a pivot candle. Okay, one thing I missed. Name. So we are just printing the name and the pivot candle loop price over here. So let's see, let's run the code. So it's not printing anything, just checking in the loop. You can also print here. Okay, we will run it again. So okay, we will modify the conditions here. Okay, so we are getting the values. Tata Motors low price is this much, 541. So you can see that the implementation is not quite difficult. It's it's sort of easy to implement. So for this implementation, you need to know the NSE pi through which you can get the data, and using this for loop. So what I have done, I have added an index in range length. It calculates the length of the data of the list, and -2 because we have added this -2 boundary check. If index is greater than 2, we are checking the left and right, and simply we are getting a value of pivot over here. So it is returning for every stocks or nifty stocks. It's still running. So in the next video, we will add some buy and sell conditions and check if it's working or not, if the system is going to provide a profitable result or not. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.